Happy New Day on this Tuesday. I am super excited to be here with you. My name again is Frenchie Gardner of Frenchie's Wonders. And I am Frenchie's Wonders is a space, artsy space for people who are looking to heal their traumatic experiences with the arts and creative movement. And I invested in myself, and I'm grateful. I am co-author of Finding Joy in the Journey, Volume 2, Healthy Ways of Finding Joy in Difficult Times. And I invested in myself, and now I want to do the unboxing. So let's see what kind of goodies we bought. Ooh. Ooh. Dr. V put her card in there. Dr. Vanessa Blackwell, give it up to Dr. V. Ooh, got a nice crossbody. Ooh, yeah. Nice. I'll wear that when I'm selling my books, when I'm vending, if I get back to that stage. I've been out of stock of Finding Joy in the Journey, Volume 2, Healthy Ways of Finding Joy in Difficult Times, but we back in stock, $20 each for the paperback. Come on through. Hit me up in my DMs, on my cell phone, on my email for your signed copies. This book is a 90-day devotional, #1 Amazon bestseller. 90 authors right on the subject of finding joy in difficult times. This book is, everybody needs this book. Tap in. Okay, so I got the books. Look, about best-selling author shirts, and I love Dr. V's packaging. She put her bookmark and card in there. Nice. Yes. Of course, this is gonna be my favorite one. #1 best-selling author. It's gonna be my favorite. That purple hidden. Got in the black and gold too. Okay. Black-selling, that #1 best-selling author. That's me. That's me, baby. Finding Joy in the Journey, Volume 2 also comes with its own journal. So, $25. Cop the journal to go with the devotional. To be through in a Joy 365 bookmark. It's hard. It's really nice. Hey, ask me about my book selling. Look at this. So it says, ask me about my best-selling book. Hey, come on through, Dr. V. That's tight. And let's see what else is in here. Thank you. Ow. I love all the marketing, Dr. V. So excited. Thank you. the wind is blowing. That's a wrap.